Scientific research has proven that when we write about what we think and feel each day, it has a good effect on how our brain functions. When we write down our thoughts and feelings, it helps us to calm our negative feelings, sleep better, boost our mood, feel more confident, get to know ourselves better, and solve problems. Journaling for just 5 minutes a day has been proven to help create a more positive, happier, and confident mindset in people. Sometimes people don't get round to journaling as they feel that it would take up too much of their time. Here are some tips on how to journal in just 5 minutes every day. It is best to journal at the end of the day, just before you sleep. Start off by writing 3 words that sum up how you felt that day. Then write down 3 positive things that happened in the day. Write down 1 thing that disappointed you that day. Then write down what made you laugh that day. And finally, write down what you learned that day. It's important to note that journaling doesn't have to be in a physical book. You can do it on your computer or even your phone, as there are journaling apps that can be downloaded to help you journal. We hope you found the tips in this video useful, and we wish you a happy journaling day.